Vyrah, reporting for duty. Another stream. I'm gonna do some reacts. Some event. Got like some fucking game event. Happened, I guess, or is this a weird date? Like, there's a lot of like trailers. Really interesting stuff. Let's check it out. And actually, yeah. Actually, interesting stuff.
It's over.
Okay. My $1 trillion project is finally out. Okay, so I heard that PewDiePie actually invested into building an AI like ChatGPT that is free and that is basically ethical. So let's check it out. I'm actually really curious about this because like this is really surprising actually. Kind of stopped like listening to the story of PewDiePie as like I'm really a fan of him. By the way, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you didn't subscribe to PewDiePie. Who the fuck doesn't do that? But technically, yeah, I kind of like stopped watching his content after like basically after he moved in Japan, like, and he went quiet. So since then, I don't know. He still posts. That's a good news, but like maybe it will give me a motivation to actually watch his stuff. But AI ChatGPT, but so basically made invested by someone like PewDiePie, so completely like someone that understands this technology, work with with people and know people that work with this technology, and technically completely like there is no like evil corporation or a business or whatever. It's PewDiePie. So I think it's really a brilliant thing to think about because of how ChatGPT is actually useful. So let's check it out. So it's free and technically it's independent and it's invested by PewDiePie. So good news all around. Apparently, I really don't know much else except that.
It's done. I am releasing a project I've been working on for myself today called Odysseus.
Yeah, and the name of the AI instead of ChatGPT is Odysseus. So I actually like the name.
Google. I don't have tissues, but I have baby wipes. No more schmoogling. Adobe? More like do not be no. No, that's not right. I do be thinking you. Fuck! You get the point. Stupid. Odysseus is my response. It is out. It is free. No tracking. No subscriptions. No funny business.
Yeah, actually, and good thing. So free, like I said, no tracking, no subscription. This is actually great because anonymity is really helpful.
It's yours and yours forever. Okay? Pinky promise. The best way I can describe it is that Odysseus is an AI workspace. Doesn't sound interesting? Fine. But let me explain. Basically, it's Claude and ChatGPT's web UI, but self-hosted. So you get access to all of it, but better. Because let one thing be crystal clear, okay? I hate everything in this project. All of it. If it could go away forever, and I had the power to, I would not hesitate. We live in a world that, you know what, it doesn't matter. We live in the world. I'll end there. The best way I can describe this is to explain how it came to be. When I started self-hosting, I started to try and self-host AI. And to me, that felt so powerful. Like I'm living in some sci-fi universe and this is all on my computer? That's crazy. The point is, you realize the model that you can run at home are amazing. The problem is the way you interact with the model, okay? Because at the time, I was trying to self-host the UI for it.
So this is actually true. Yeah, the AIs nowadays are actually like worth your time and actually helpful, really helpful, and something that we can be happy about. But it's true that like the interaction is always kind of weird.
To get the same experience as I was paying my subscriptions for. And I realized all these things that sort of come together and make this an amazing experience was completely missing. Where's my memory? Where's my deep research? What about the agent? What about all these simple integrations like webhooks? I spent like 2 days trying to integrate that. So that's why I started to build my own. And I thought it was funny as a meme. I'm like, look, the computer is building the computer. Because I was making it code itself. It's a bit of a lark. I shared that on this channel. In fact, my council thing became a whole thing. I don't know why. It's hidden somewhere in the code, by the way. If you want to dig it up, that's fine. I never thought I would actually release this project, but at some point I'm like, this is getting kind of good. I prefer this. This is better now. So that's why I'm sharing it with you. Because
This is really awesome, and it's such a beautiful story about like basically problem solving about when it comes to the AI business. Because like I agree with the fact that like the only problem with AI nowadays is that it's not regulated enough by the corporations, by the businesses that builds them. And technically, it's good products, but at the same time, it feels it feels kind of strange. Like it's better. Like I'll just say it like this: an AI that is invested by someone like PewDiePie is actually a software I will trust way more than another foreign business that I've never heard of before I saw their products. So this is, and it's just because like we're talking about cybersecurity, AI, like we talk about this is high-end stuff, and the high-end stuff it's anyway. Yeah, the idea is that like if it's made by PewDiePie, like if it's invested by and supported by PewDiePie, it's better than Google, right?
Something very important. The more you share about yourself with AI, the better it becomes. The more it understands you, your preferences, your past experiences, your workflow, your work, your documents, your computer. The more you give it access, the better it works. But the more you do that, the more you're handing over a huge piece of yourself to all these giant tech companies. And that's a huge trust that you're handing over. Okay? And unless you go to their website and find the specific page where you can delete all your data and then just hoping they actually do it, you probably shouldn't do that. So that's why I realized like this project just makes more and more sense. I built it for self-hosting, but you can use it with API as well and use any model you want, obviously. And
that's
at that
nice.
point, at least you own your own data. All your data is yours as it should be. And maybe you don't
Wow, this is unbelievable.
care about any of this stuff, that's fine. It's still just a great experience, to be honest. And I'll share why now. So here's the thing. I built Odysseus because I believe in privacy and self-hosting. All these companies, it may not seem like a big thing, and I agree. It's not like, oh no, all this private stuff, all these secrets. It's not even about that. It's about the principle. If maybe you don't care about your private data, the reality is these companies abuse it. Your private info, your address, your phone number, your relatives, a scary level of information is stored about you and it's traded between companies. If you get spam phone calls, it's likely that your data has been taken by it and sold to these companies to try and scam you or sell you stuff. They can open credit cards in your names, and it's like, hey, look at me, I'm big tech right now. Oh no! Oh, we leaked everyone's data again. Oh no! Anyway, you just clearly can't trust them with it. So that's why Odysseus and self-hosting just makes sense. But what about all the data that is already out there? What about that? That's where today's sponsor comes in, Incogni. Because the good news is that you have the right to get your data deleted off from these companies. But the problem is that takes a lot of effort, hundreds of hours. Are you gonna do that? You probably have better things to do. You just sign up to Incogni and you let them get to work. Looking at your Incogni dashboard is super satisfying because you see your data getting scraped. Bada bing, bada boom, no more. This seemed like impossible in the past, like a thing to not even attempt because it was too difficult. Also, get an extra level of protection with Incogni's custom removal feature. If there's any info about you online that you don't like, you have the power to remove it. Just send it to Incogni's team and they'll get to work. So Incogni cleans up your past and Odysseus is your future. So thank you Incogni for sponsoring this video. Right now they have an offer for 60% off. That's pretty good. Check it out. Enter the code PewDiePie. Link is in the description. That's incogni.com/PewDiePie. Thank you Incogni. First of all, it has an agent, obviously. I never thought I would be able to integrate an agent, but I literally just stole OpenCode. OpenCode is really good. If you never used an agent before, it's basically giving AI the opportunity. You give AI the chance to run on your computer. So you can download files, run files, create files, edit files, browse the web, all this stuff. As an example, yesterday I had a video file that I want to transcribe so I could work on it. I said, hey, can you transcribe this video file? It found the file on my other computer. It converted the file format. It ran Whisper to transcribe the audio, and then it shared the transcription back to me. And that's a medium difficult level task for an agent, I would say. It is incredible what they can do now, even on your own computer. It's funny, I read a book that I reviewed on this channel years ago, before all this nonsense happened. The scientist, Max Tegmark, he brought up this like hypothetical doomsday AI scenario, and it sounds exactly like an AI agent. So I know what you're thinking. Let's go quicker! The agent is self-evolving, so...
Okay, I'm actually curious about the book that he talks about. Like, the videos like this actually, I still like from PewDiePie. Like, when he talks about, like, also when it made me buy Japanese bottle of whiskey. Like, so I like his stuff. Book review. Okay, this is a book review. I'll keep it for later. That's for sure. Alright.
It might find it a little difficult the first time you do a task, but then it will write itself its own instruction. So next time it can do it much quicker. It also extracts memories from your conversation, so the more you use it, the more it will become nice to engage with Odysseus, the more it will understand you. It's kind of jarring to look at your memories because it's such a personal thing. Yeah, this is all true. I'm glad I'm the one who owns this file and not all these other tech companies. You know what I mean? It really paints a picture how much information, how easily they can gather stuff from you just from basic AI queries. Hey, emails. I suck at emails. I've always sucked at emails. I hate emails. Let me share with you a memory.
Who the fuck like emails
maybe you
anyway?
Can relate. It was probably like 10 years ago. I was on a trip in Japan on holiday, and I got an email from my accountant saying, we need your signature on this file. We need it by tomorrow, and if you don't do it in time, there's going to be a penalty for you to pay. Great. Fantastic. What an amazing accountant. I remember what I thought at the time. I thought, wow, great thing that I check my email so frequently. That's what I thought. That's a thought that no one should ever think. What the fuck? No, we should not live like this. It's fucking insanity. So I made it so the AI will read your emails, and it's okay because it's a local AI. So it doesn't matter. You're not giving away any information.
Yeah, this is important and true. Yeah, like, so if since it's decentralized, you actually do not care about your privacy, since nothing is ever sent back to their servers. So that's really awesome.
And it flags if it's urgent. It tells me I can do whatever I want.
Because basically self-hosting is basically having your own server, and this way, yeah, you can actually be completely feel free to use AI in the way you want. Actually, I think he makes really good points for like, and he really thought about and created something really beautiful.
Whole week, and I feel like it's time to reply to emails. I reply to emails. That's at least how I want to live. And yes, I built an email client. I didn't want to, but it was just easier. Example number 2, okay? I got an email not too long ago where someone asked me something so stupid. It really solidified why I added this feature, which is AI auto reply. Someone asked me that they could have done themselves. It was literally just, you had all the information, You just needed to do a basic search. Because this agent has auto reply, it had already done the search and written the reply. So all I had to do was click auto reply, review it. Yeah, it was correct. Send. And it felt like the most polite fuck you to someone that they will never know. Because I don't think AI should write your emails. But sometimes, yeah, it's pretty nice actually. I take it back. There's also like basic summary and all that stuff that just makes it a little easier. Am I the only one with these problems? I feel like I'm the only
For real, like emails, like maybe not, I don't have like this much struggles, but like, amazing that it can auto reply as well. What the fuck?
one with this problem. I cannot be the only one with these problems. Is this how we want to live? This comes with deep research. This is a feature that a lot of AI companies will sell their product to. They're like, hey, pay for our subscription and look, you can get as much reaches as you want. I asked friends if they use AI research and they're like, oh, fuck. Why not? It's awesome. If I'm gonna buy a product, I don't wanna look through a bunch of stuff online. Boring! AI, you do it. I stole this, as I mentioned, from Chinese lab. It was Tongyi Labs, by the way. But I also now have improved on it a lot. It has a visual version for it. You can chat about the result, inquire further from there. I feel like if there's ever more extra info that you need about something, it's a really nice way to get that information. Number 3, document editor. They can write files for you live so you can see it and review it yourself. I think this is the right approach that I've kept throughout. I don't want AI to do the work for me or replace the work. I want to do it and it can help if I wanted to.
So I stole this document editor idea from Claude. It's really good, but I can't type in it. I don't want AI to do the work for me. It types terribly and it sounds shit. It sounds like AI immediately. But if I type whatever I want, I can just tell it, hey, fix the formatting, fix the spelling and all that, or fact check this piece here. I think it really shows how I look at AI. Like, it's a tool and it's not meant to replace what I'm doing.
It can write emails, code, PDFs,
And a fancy dog.
It can even sign documents. I don't know if that's a good idea, but hey, it can. It's actually a really nice workflow because let's say you're working on something like you're writing and you want to look something up. Instead of having to tab out and look and Google or whatever. No, you don't do that. You can just ask the model to look it up. It also comes with search built in. Search for AI can actually cost a lot of money. So the fact that it's free, we don't have to talk about how it did that because Google might not like it, but it is free and it's private. I hate sounding so suspicious, but I genuinely, I don't know. Here's the best kicker. It has a calendar. It has to-do notes. I literally just copy pasted Google Keep, but it is good, okay? You can also, of course, create your own characters to chat with. My favorite, Goblino. What a guy. You can even create a group chat with them. I created this and I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? This is fucking sad. Why am I making fake group chats? Jesus Christ. Well, it's there and it works, you know? But it
This is insane.
So
This is insane because, like, technically, like, being able to compete, like I said, it's a high-end type of service, high-end type of, like, software, is actually, like, showing that, like, this fucking competes with fucking ChatGPT. And I'm like, I believe it because, PewDiePie is really someone, that, like, he looks innocent, but he's not a fucking idiot at all. But, like, I'm really fucking, like, what the fuck? This is actually really awesome. And a really beautiful statement for, like, internet privacy and respect of each other data and in a non-commercial way. Like technically, like, I don't know, like it's really nice.
Much more because I'm an epic minimalist. Everything is in one place. I don't have to think about trying to integrate it with other fucking things. It's just one place and it works. So I recommend checking it out. Is that it? Oh fuck, I forgot. Cookbook. It has Cookbook. Cookbook solves all the problems with self-hosting AI. BF16, FP8, AVQ. What the fuck is a guff? There is so much to know when you're trying to self-host AI, and Cookbook is my way to try and make it more simple. There are more simple programs that you can run, but I feel like they make it too simple. You miss out all the magic. Cookbook can download models, it scans your hardware, which is the most difficult thing. Like when you're trying to self-host AI, what can I actually run on my computer? I don't know. all these things, variables to take into account. It gives you a score. Just go with the score. I found amazing models through this. You can also serve the model directly in Cookbook, and it's just added directly into Odysseus. I remember sometimes just adding the fucking endpoint was such a problem. Like, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to write /W1 after. Or was it model or models? Why doesn't either fucking work? It just adds it automatically. I don't have to think about it. It solves all the pain of self-hosting. That is a lie, but it makes it a hell of a lot easier. Oh, it also has image editor. That's right. I decided that was a good idea. I've been trying to replace Photoshop, and I have to be honest, I have not found the solution. I thought GIMP was it for sure, but my decrepit old brain is too far gone, okay? All the key commands, all the locations are too far ingrained in my brain after using this software for 20 fucking years daily. I am building my own Photoshop. I will do it, okay? And it's already in it's in a good enough state, okay? And I'm not gonna pretend like it's good, but it's better. It's good enough. It's got aim paint. Background removal. I know, Adobe probably already has this now, but I used to use the path tool every day. Hey, I'm gonna make a thumbnail. I gotta make the path tool all the way around. Oh, I could just click a button now. That's cool. Now, it might seem like there's a lot of stuff going on, and I agree. But that's what makes it all come together so nicely. I can ask it, hey, can you
This actually looks actually really awesome.
do this? Maybe like summarize my emails, give me an update on my calendar, and just tickle me at 7 a.m. every Monday. It will do it. If I wanted to blub like a fish, it blubs like a fish. Oh, it has themes as well. Oh, now I got you. The point is, Odysseus is yours. And I want it to feel like yours too. And I'm releasing it because I want you to help me keep building it. The war on big tech has just begun. We will no longer be abused. This project will never cost any money. That's my return, okay? But you have to make meaningful changes, not just comma doctors, okay? It also works on mobile, which was hell to make feel good. But it's actually pretty good, actually. I just want it to be good because I'm using it personally myself. And now I'm sharing it with you. There is no Windows or Mac port. Someone else is gonna have to do that, okay? Thank you, bye. It's me, I'm at the airport. There are a lot of things to think about when you're traveling. Fun fact, one time I forgot to bring Björn's bag to the airport. There's just a lot of things to think about. If you have a trip coming up, you can prepare today with Saily. Saily is an eSIM service, electronic SIM. You don't need to enter and put in a new SIM card. You don't need to rent a Wi-Fi. That's for old people. Even the people that buy the eSIM when you land, like, come on, you're not gonna wanna do that. Set it up today. It takes 5 minutes. You land and you have internet before anyone else. As soon as I land, Quest appears above me, connect the internet. Already solved with Saily. It's one of those services that is so amazing. I'm so proud to be a sponsor. I actually meet you guys all the time here in Japan and you're like, I'm using Saily. I'm like, good. And then you're like, it's really good. And I'm like, good. I told you. Because if you use my code PewDiePie on checkout, you get a discount. Just look at that money go down. Pay less. You're welcome. Now, Saily has a VIP level. You can sail extra hard with fast track built in, airport lounge access, and advanced security. I myself have Saily set up for my next trip. Can you say the same? Link in the description. Thank you, Saily, for sponsoring this video.
Okay, this was interesting. So Odysseus, really good product overall. What the fuck? Good news for like in general tech ethic fight to be ethical, like done by PewDiePie. Like if you know and love PewDiePie, like you know that like this is really someone actually understanding of the visibly understanding of the technology if you know him enough. And at the same time, someone that is like not a big tech, not a fucking Google or YouTube, like fucking create something like this. It will be interesting. It will be interesting and offers like something really ethical and moral for the end user and and respecting of privacy, which is a lot of problems. Like this product will probably reshape AI, the way the AI business is run, because of how technically in this industry, like ethicality and stuff like that, it's not something as bad as other industries, but like sometimes it's just because of the actors. And what he did is really something absolutely great. He really made the world a better place with his AI. Thank you, PewDiePie. That's really awesome. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. All right. Okay. Let me just check one thing. Once again, I need to fucking. Okay, everything is working. Perfect. Okay, Silent Hill Townfall. I saw this one. Actually, not my vibe at all compared to the Silent Hill F. Really not my vibe. But like, well, it will be so for someone else. You know, like, it'll be for someone else. They're like, because it looks great. It will be nice. Why the fuck did it crash? Hello. Like, here you go. So yeah, not my vibe, not my style of game. Either way, but like really happy that like if you're a fan of Silent Hill, you really got like got a lot, because Silent Hill Elf was really great. Damn. What the fuck?
Who's there?
Simon. Are you there? Please say something. Where did you go, Simon?
Something doesn't feel right. Zoe? I'm sorry, Zoe?
What are you doing here?
You remember the truth behind the static? Damn. This is such a good looking game. God damn. It's really good looking. The vibe, it's just not for me. So happy for you if you're a Silent Hill fan and get the game. All right. Okay, Until Dawn 2. Actually, Until Dawn, good game. Not my my type of game, but good game. Really like if you're into horror. So Until Dawn 2, didn't expect it much after that, but like good news, because like this was really an inspired game and really fun to play basically. All right, let's check it out.
Akashima Island, haunted by dark stories. Our goal, confront the evil corrupting paradise. This is Dead True International.
Thanks. Come on, let's get a photo together.
Over! Rotated on that one.
A for effort, dude.
Who's the buff idiot?
Does no one know this guy?
This is how villains are made. This is
Oh, you two haven't met yet, right?
Sebastian, I'll be looking out for you. Roland, whenever you're ready.
This facility has been shut down for decades. Uninvestigated, untold, until now.
This is how villains are made.
Did you hear that?
Nate, are you out there? We gotta go. Right!
I have a bad feeling.
Let's get rid of it.
Grip it tight.
No! He's coming! Through there!
Take a deep breath.
Fuck! Which way?
Steady the mind.
We're gonna have to jump!
There's rocks down there! Can you do what needs to be done?
Damn. Two, 2027, so next year. This is nice. The graphics are nice. The story is set in an interesting place. And if you know, you know. Like, this is a good news. Great game. I'm really happy. Like they actually went for it. Ale story trailer. Let's go. Let's check it out.
There's a wounded man. Nasty injuries. It's like a beast tore him apart.
A beast? Out here? Are you drunk or something? Do him up and show him out. But he's still weak, so be careful.
What's going on? Save your ammo.
Damn.
Die, bastard. And you're tough. Surprisingly lively for someone who just came out of a coma.
If you want to survive, you gotta hustle.
You fell from the moon?
I will help you, but you must not go there.
I'll take my chances. Turns out I'm a lucky man.
You'll find nothing there but death.
keep quiet in there.
Damn, the graphics are absolutely stunning. The story is really fucking, it looks really scary. Oh my fucking god. But like really looks like an interesting game. The story looks cool as well. Like, this is really a good news for the people that actually can handle these type of games. I cannot. I see this. I will not. Like, this is too much. I'll just check one thing real fast. Okay. No. There you go. Camry, the hunt the unseen. Okay, let's check it out. Wow. Is this a normal game? What the fuck? You are a yokai hunter? What the fuck? Shoot! It's stopped. Okay. Is this an arena type of like hunt? Damn! Oh my fucking god! Okay, this is an absolute like, what the fuck? So basically, yokais are folkloric paranormal entities, right? Let me just add this where I'll actually add this to my video. Like, I have a list of like releases that I want to fucking know. Like, I really the graphics, look at that. Look at how pretty it looks. Like, what the fuck? There is like a lot of like cool stuff from Japan that usually like you only get from anime games, right? So the way to some way to fight. So this is really cool. The graphics are absolutely like insane. You can play co-op, and it looks fun enough. Like, if there's a cool story to it, I really hope that like it's a story-driven game, kind of like God of War would be really nice. Because really look like something really interesting. Actually, for once, what the fuck? I mean, not for once, but like, what the fuck? It is interesting. I'll keep this one. All right. Okay. Tomb Raider King on Crunchyroll. Let's check it out. For real, Tomb Raider. Like, it really left a fucking mark on my fucking biology at this point. I read Tomb Raider before seeing that it's not Tomb Raider, but it was Tomb Raider. It's not Tomb Raider at all. It's an anime.
서주원 38세. 나는 오늘 죽나보다.
이번 임무는 무조건 성공시켜야 되네. 대신 걸맞는 보상을 해줄 테니.
하지만
It's Korean?
권태준 이 새끼 반드시 쳐주길 테다. 반드시.
기회를 주지. 어디 한번 진짜 왕의 자리를 차지해 보거라.
설마 환생? 과거로 회귀했단 말이야? 찾았다. 내 돈줄. 이건 말이지. 이렇게 쓰는 거거든.
저 혹시 당신을 찾고 있었어요.
이런 개죽음이 어딨냔 말이야! 오늘부로 난 사표 낼 테니까 내 밀린 월급하고 퇴직금 내놔.
Okay, this is cool. It has like solo player, like, how is it called? Solo leveling. It has a solo leveling vibes, but the good ones. This is like maybe it will be awesome. Engine of Sin announcement. Okay. PS1 type of graphics. I dig it. And cyberpunk vibes. And the way everything moves. Damn. Oh. This is actually cool. PS1 with Bioshock vibes. I actually respect that. Probably an indie project. Like, this is interesting. This is interesting, and really wish the best for the team that is producing it. All right, I am done for this stream. Yeah, it's been fun. I'll see you another time, and as always, be toxic.